Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can possibly fix the issue with the AROMA360 send diffuser if it's not working. So the first thing that you can try to do is that unplug it for about 60 seconds. So unplug it for 60 seconds, and then when you're going to unplug it, what you want to do, you want to press and hold the low button on your controller, on the remote control. On the low button, press and hold it. While holding it, plug the diffuser back to the power source, and you want to keep holding the button for about like 5 seconds. And then you want to wait for the red light on the diffuser to blink. And once the red light blinks, release the 35% button. And do not touch anything for at least 10 seconds while the reset completed. So this is the first thing that you can try. The second thing that you can try is that there are other two things that you can try. Maybe some of it is going to work out. Another thing that you want to do is that unplug it, press and hold this button right here. While you're gonna holding it, then plug it back in and just hold it. Maybe that is going to work. Or the last thing that you can try, and I'm just sharing the ideas that are like researching everything. You want to have it plugged in, turned on, if you can turn it on, and then press and hold this button right here for about 30 seconds, and maybe it's going to fix it. I hope it does. Good luck, because I know how frustrating it is when it's not working. Have a great day and goodbye.